Have you ever looked up at the night sky, awestruck by its vastness, and wondered, where did it all begin? Our planet, this solid, seemingly eternal Earth beneath our feet, has a story. And believe me, it's wilder than any science fiction you've ever read. It's a story of cosmic collisions, fiery infernos, and the slow, patient crawl of life emerging against all odds. Then, bang, the Big Bang. An explosion of energy and light from a single, infinitely dense point. Space expands, cools, and within this maelstrom, tiny particles begin to clump together. These are the building blocks of everything we know, including our own planet. Slowly, surely, a giant disk of gas and dust began to form, the birthplace of our solar system. At the center of this swirling disk, a star ignited, our sun. Its immense gravity drew in more and more gas and dust, leaving a swirling cloud of debris in its wake. Within this cloud, smaller clumps began to coalesce, drawn together by their own gravity. These were the seeds of planets, and one of them, you guessed it, was our very own Earth. Imagine Earth in its infancy, a hot, molten ball of rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. It's a scene of utter chaos, a cosmic shooting gallery with Earth as the target. But with each impact, Earth grows, gathering more mass and increasing its gravitational pull. It's a brutal, unforgiving process, but it's essential for the creation of the world we know. Over millions of years, the bombardment slows. The Earth begins to cool, its molten surface hardening into a thin, rocky crust. Volcanoes erupt, spewing gases and molten rock into the atmosphere. It's still a hostile, alien environment, but change is afoot. The stage is set for the next chapter in Earth's epic story, the emergence of life. Picture this. Earth, a planet covered in volcanoes spewing lava and toxic gases. The air is thick with ash, the sky a menacing red. This was Earth's early atmosphere, a far cry from the life-sustaining blanket we know today. The constant volcanic eruptions released water vapor, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, creating a thick, toxic atmosphere. But hidden within this seemingly hellish environment were the seeds of something extraordinary. Deep within the Earth's crust, hydrothermal vents spewed out hot, mineral-rich water. These vents, teeming with chemical energy, provided the perfect conditions for life to emerge. It's a humbling thought that life on Earth may have originated in these dark volcanic depths. Over unimaginable stretches of time, simple organic molecules began to form in this primordial soup. These molecules, the building blocks of life, assembled and disassembled, driven by the forces of chemistry and chance. It was a slow, painstaking process, but eventually something remarkable happened. These molecules began to replicate, creating copies of themselves. Life, in its simplest form, had begun. The first life on Earth wasn't anything like the plants and animals we know today. They were single-celled organisms, simple microbes that thrived in the extreme conditions of early Earth. These organisms, known as extremophiles, could withstand intense heat, pressure, and even the toxic chemicals that would be deadly to most life today. These early life forms were incredibly resilient and adaptable. They evolved to survive in the harsh conditions of early Earth, paving the way for the diversity of life that would follow. They spread through the oceans, their numbers growing exponentially. These microscopic pioneers were transforming the planet, one breath at a time. And what a transformation it was. These early microbes developed a remarkable ability, photosynthesis. They could harness the sun's energy to create food, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Oxygen, toxic to most early life, began to accumulate in the atmosphere. It was a slow process, but over millions of years, it would transform Earth's atmosphere from a toxic haze into the breathable air we enjoy today. This great oxidation event was a pivotal turning point in Earth's history, setting the stage for the evolution of more complex life forms. As oxygen levels rose, the stage was set for a revolution. Life, once confined to single-celled organisms, began to experiment with new and more complex forms. Multicellular organisms emerged, their cells working together in increasingly sophisticated ways. This was a time of incredible experimentation, a period of rapid evolution that would eventually give rise to all the plants and animals we know today. From the primordial soup emerged strange and wonderful creatures, trilobites with their segmented bodies, giant squid with tentacles spanning meters. It's hard to imagine these creatures roaming our planet, but their fossils tell a tale of incredible diversity and adaptation. Each new species was a testament to life's resilience and its uncanny ability to thrive. The oceans teemed with life, a riot of colors and shapes. Over time, some of these creatures ventured onto land, their bodies adapting to this new environment. Plants took root, their leaves reaching for the sun. Insects buzzed among the ferns and amphibians crawled out of the water. Life had conquered the land, transforming the planet's surface forever. Just when life was getting comfortable, disaster struck. A Mars-sized object, a rogue planet in its own right, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was unimaginable, releasing more energy than billions of atomic bombs. The impact vaporized vast amounts of rock, sending molten debris hurtling into space. It was a cataclysmic event, one that could have easily spelled the end for our young planet. This wasn't just any collision. The debris from this impact, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, slowly coalesced to form our moon. This new celestial companion, born from chaos, would have a profound influence on Earth's future. The moon's gravity stabilized Earth's rotation, creating the regular seasons and tides that would shape the evolution of life. The impact also tilted Earth's axis, giving us our seasons. It's strange to think that a cataclysmic event like this, one that could have easily sterilized the planet, actually played a crucial role in making Earth the habitable world we know today. It's a stark reminder that our planet's history is a story of both destruction and creation, often intertwined in surprising ways. The Earth's crust, fractured and molten after the moon-forming impact, began to cool and solidify. But the planet's surface wasn't static. Beneath our feet, massive tectonic plates, driven by the Earth's internal heat, were on the move. These plates collided and pulled apart, creating vast supercontinents that drifted across the globe. Imagine a world where all the continents are joined together in a single massive landmass. This was Pangaea, a supercontinent that existed millions of years ago. Over eons, Pangaea slowly broke apart, the continents drifting across the globe like giant puzzle pieces. This dance of the continents, a slow-motion ballet lasting millions of years, shaped the face of our planet, creating the continents and oceans we know today. This constant shifting and reshaping of Earth's surface had a profound impact on life. As continents drifted apart, they created barriers that isolated populations of organisms, leading to the evolution of new species. The collision of continents created mountain ranges, their towering peaks affecting weather patterns and creating unique habitats for life to flourish. The Earth's restless surface, far from being a destructive force, has been a constant engine of change and diversity. The Earth bears the scars of its tumultuous past. From towering mountain ranges to deep ocean trenches, the planet's surface is a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped it. Fossils tell a story of evolution and extinction, a reminder of the natural world's constant flux. The Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River, reveals billions of years of geological history. Its layers tell stories of ancient seas, volcanic eruptions, and erosion. It's a humbling reminder of geological time and the forces shaping our planet. The Hawaiian Islands, formed by a hotspot, show Earth's constant change. These wonders, from fossils to mountains, are pieces of Earth's incredible story. Earth's story is not just a tale of cosmic collisions and geological upheavals, it's also a story of remarkable balance. For life to flourish, a delicate equilibrium must be maintained. The Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land are all interconnected, their intricate interactions creating the conditions necessary for life as we know it. Think about the Earth's atmosphere. It's a delicate shield, protecting us from the harsh radiation of space while trapping just the right amount of heat from the sun to keep our planet habitable. The oceans, teeming with life, regulate the Earth's temperature and play a crucial role in the carbon cycle. The land, shaped by geological forces, provides habitats for a staggering diversity of plants and animals. This intricate web of life is both resilient and fragile. Disruptions to this balance, whether through natural events or human activity, can have far-reaching consequences. Climate change, driven by human-caused greenhouse gas emissions, is a stark reminder of how even small changes to Earth's delicate systems can have profound impacts. Understanding the interconnectedness of Earth's systems is crucial for ensuring the well-being of all life on our planet. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. You are standing on a planet with a past more epic than any science fiction novel. A planet born from stardust, forged in fire, and shaped by forces beyond our comprehension. A planet that, against all odds, has become a cradle for life, a haven in the vastness of space. Earth's story is a reminder that we are all connected, to each other, to all living things, and to the planet itself. We are, in a very real sense, children of the cosmos, our very existence a testament to the extraordinary events that unfolded over billions of years. It's a story that fills us with awe, wonder, and a profound sense of responsibility for the future of our pale blue dot. As we continue to explore the cosmos, searching for signs of life beyond our planet, we carry with us the legacy of Earth's incredible journey. We are, after all, a product of this planet, shaped by its history and forever bound to its fate. Earth's story is our story, and it's a story that we must continue to write together.